Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Al. So this is the new ride that I got for the auction. So we're gonna go over little things that needs it. So here we go. It's a 2007 Ford Mustang. We got a cracked windshield. I left it up there for a couple days, so they're gonna tow it if I didn't move it. But here it is. We got some torn leather there. It's not torn, it just came off. Show you guys how to glue that back up. Not bad. The seats, the back, can give you a shot. Nice blue color. Not bad. It only has 60,000 miles on it. Just had some dents here. Probably not gonna fix them. Just gonna leave that there by itself. And then here we go. Right now I'm gonna go get the windshield replaced, like I said. So get that. Look at this. Duct tape. Use duct tape to hold this mirror. So we're gonna fix that right there. Go get a windshield repaired. I'm on my way to do that now. So here's how dirty the engine is. You guys can check that out. I'm gonna be using my pressure washer. I use a pressure washer, no soap, no degreaser, nothing. So check this out again one last time, and we'll go from there. So next on the agenda is gluing this this piece of leather or vinyl back up here. So all I'm gonna do is really use this headliner and carpet adhesive. What's up, guys? So last thing for the Mustang, I'm gonna replace this mirror right here. That's a nice job right there, that mirror. And then I'm gonna try and buff out this hood right here. See this? There's right here, see this? Okay. All that, I'm gonna wet sand that, and then I'm gonna buff it out. Show you guys how to do that. Doesn't look like it's too deep, but it'll be a better job. And then we'll go from there. This is the mirror for the Ford Mustang. See how you notice? See how you get it brand new. I got this from Nap Auto Warehouse here in Otay, San Diego. But as you can tell, pretty brand new. It's new. Just wanted to show you how easy this was easy to replace. I took that off. These were connected to the plastic. And then you just come out here, you take this, there you go, like this, right? So you just pull that off, and then you have these bolts right here. These bolts that connect to these. And then it's just a 11mm wrench, and then you just screw them off. So there you go. See that? Very simple. Very simple job. One connection. And then down here, we'll close it up right now. And then you just put the cover back on. Now we gotta just put the cover back on. So you put that. There we go, boys. That's it. Close it up. There you go, brand new mirror. So what I'm gonna do next now is try and get rid of this scratch right here real bad. So you want just some, I'm using 1500 grit paper, putting it on this sponge. and then just water. All you do is just spray it down and go from side to side. Just make sure you have plenty of water. Just get a rag, clean that off. See that dry? You can still see it, so, but it's better than what it is, and I'm gonna buff it out right now, and that should be a lot better. So I'm gonna use this Sunbright One Easy Step. It's a cleaner and polish, okay? And then I'm just gonna use a 7-inch wheel to buff this out. I'm gonna rub that all the way around. So this car is done. It's ready for sale. And here's the engine. Remember I pressure washed it. Much better. Here's the mirror. Much better. Solid on there. And then we'll get to the hood right now.
If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The camera's here and the microphones, and they wanna know, the return. If you are what you say you are, a superstar, then have no fear. The crowd is here and the lights are on, and they wanna show.
I just picked up this car at the car auction. The 2003 350Z. It only has 93,000 miles on it. Make sure you subscribe. I'll start giving details on how much this car goes for and how much I'll put it on the market for. Give you the ins and outs.